Hi everyone, it's Kathy Maxson. Today we are going to make a hanger with this love sign, and I'm also going to be using this Live, Love, and Bark. I'm actually only going to be using the heart shape out of the hanger over here. Both items are from the Dollar Tree. This is this year, and I believe they still have these, but mine is from my stash. So if you want, my friend Megan from Megan Flips It DIY did a love coffee for her coffee bar. So if you want, go stop over on her channel, Megan Flips It DIY. I am going to do a dog version. So I have the love sign, I have fabric paw print, and I didn't go to the store and I don't have any cardstock or scrapbook paper, but I do have these hearts. And I was looking online, and I think to Modge Podge the fabric, it's going to take you Modge Podge, put your fabric on, let it dry, put your Modge Podge on over top of it, let it dry. You're letting it dry overnight twice. And I don't have that amount of time. So I think I'm just going to Modge Podge my heart paper, and I will let it dry. It shouldn't take that long. And then I'm going to use I have a finger blade. You can get that on Amazon because that's where I got mine from. And then I'm going to just cut around the letters. And then we are going to add this heart right there. So it's going to be like basically love, and then it's going to be love, basically my dogs. I did do a Valentine tree. So I have all of our ornaments. We've gotten ornaments from each one of our pets. So I left all the pet ornaments on my Valentine tree, and the double heart door hanger I actually have at the top, and I have some other Dollar Tree hearts and stuff that I've gotten. So I will show you that, but I'm going to do my love sign. We'll add it to my Valentine tree, and let's get started. First, I think I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint all the outside edges. So I'm going to paint it black. So I just have some Apple Barrel Black matte acrylic paint. And then I have my angled brush. So like I said, all I'm going to do is go through and paint the edges. So then it's going to be black instead of the tan. Okay, I think the paint is pretty much dry. It might not be the best coating job that I've done, but that's okay. It's mine anyways. So if you were going to cover it with the fabric, this happens to have a white background, you would be able to see all my paint on the top. So you can pick up one of these sanding blocks from the Dollar Tree, and you can just sand the black off. So then that way it's not going to show underneath your white background. And since I'm going to be doing, maybe the paint isn't all the way dry, probably doesn't hurt to rough it up anyways. Okay, I have some wet wipes here. You could always, you know, just kind of wipe off the sanding that you sanded. Dry. If you didn't have Modge Podge, you could always use Elmer's glue. So I'm just going to put a generous amount of the Modge Podge over the letters. Try not to get glue all over my hands. I do have my wet wipes. Like I said, you could do this method, you know, with fabric. I did have the paw prints, and that's kind of really what I wanted to go. And I thought I had paw print scrapbook paper, but I do not. I guess I should have looked yesterday so I could have went to the store to pick some up, but that's okay. Use what you have. Okay. Okay, so there I have that. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my paper right over top of this. I don't know, I didn't really want to cut it out, so I'm going to put it to the bottom. And then I'm just going to push it down. Make sure I get it good everywhere. So let me pick it up. I'll show you what it looks like on the back. So that's all I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that sit up, let that dry, and then we will come back and cut it out. I didn't want to previously cut it out. I guess I could have measured how big of a piece I needed and then, you know, cut it shorter, but that's okay. I think my finger blade, I think I should be pretty good getting in everywhere. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to set some stuff on top of it, let it sit up, and I will be back and show you the rest. Okay, the glue seems to be dried. When you're doing this, don't leave it upside down on the plastic because I have a little, I don't know if you can see, the glue kind of must have leaked out a little bit or whatever, but that's okay. There's Miss Lily. I'll have to show you guys a video of her one day. Playing outside with her ball or something like that. Anyways, I got my cutting mat board. I'm going to cut on that. And I'm just going to use my finger blade and cut around it. Always make sure you have something underneath when you're cutting. Okay. too bad at all. Let me put my cover on my knife blade, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So it's like a little finger blade. So I don't hurt myself. And this is what it looks like. You know, like that. So what you can do, you can get your big sanding block, or you can just get like a fingernail file. You can just make sure you can file off the edges. Actually kind of puts a nice white trim. I kind of like that. Looks cute, and I already took this off of the so I can actually kind of hide that bubble a little. I can actually put that down. So let's Modge Podge over top. I had to go back upstairs and get my brush. Let's Modge Podge this. I'm going to do over the O first because I do want that to dry. And this is just protecting it. I'm going to make sure my brush strokes all kind of go the same direction. Podge over the black so I don't leave puddles. Should all dry clear. Wax paper. Okay, I'm going to finish doing around the edges, and then I will come back and we'll wait till this glue dries, and I will glue on the little heart. I took the hair dryer to it. Let's get this on here. How do we want this? Oh, like that should pretty much cover all the holes. Or my boo-boo at the bottom. So I need some glue here, need some glue here, and some over here. A little bit of glue. Like I said, this is for myself, so that's okay. There you have it. My little love with the paw print. So again, scrapbook paper. You could do fabric and Modge Podge. Let's go hang it on the Valentine tree and I'll show you. So here is my love sign on our Valentine tree. Give you a look at it. It's just a little pencil, skinny pencil tree. So I have my red double heart hanger, and then some of our pets that we've had 10. Lily is our 10th. Reckless was our first when me and my husband first met. That was our first dog. And then we got Roxy, and then we got Tasha in Pittsburgh, and then we got Sticks We got a cat. It really was the neighbors. We didn't know that at the time, but Moose was our only cat. Tiny, she was Styx's sister. Hershey. And then we have Bentley, and last but not least, Lily. Lily is our only living pet that we have left.